At Carnegie Mellon University SirLab, we work on how to shift academic research into solving industrial problems. Working with Vention was very easy. They helped us find the right mounts and the right pedestals that we wanted for our robots, and they processed the entire thing in a very fast amount of time so that we already had the robots in the lab and we could immediately start working with them.
What I like about the whole system is the ease of use. So we can switch with free drive motion, or we can use raw robot operating system solutions to move the robot and control it. We can also move the whole system anywhere within the lab. And of course, the accessibility to test continuously is also a great help.
Not only is SirLab solving real-world applications with industry, they're also pushing the boundaries to the next level, finding what the next generation of advancements and research is going to bring to the workforce and to companies that are working with them. Vention really helps Carnegie Mellon build their system in a simpler way and also have flexibility to change down the road if they need to as they add new requirements.
The Vention system's ability to move to any area makes it easier for us at SirLab to conduct our work.